In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to port out a Dialpad number. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate the PIN you need and how to handle a single number or a batch of numbers securely and efficiently. First, a quick heads up about permissions. You must be an admin in Dialpad, either a company admin or an office admin, to initiate a port out. If you're not sure whether you have the right access, check your role in your Dialpad admin settings or ask someone who manages your organization's account. Without admin privileges, you won't see the tools needed to proceed. Next, open a modern browser and go to dialpad.com, port out. If your organization routes you through the admin portal instead, simply navigate there and follow the path to the port out section. Be sure you're signed in with your admin credentials so the portal can display your eligible numbers. To port out a single number, enter the exact phone number you want to move to a new provider. It's important to type it exactly as it appears in your account to avoid mismatches that can slow down the transfer. Then click Get PIN Number. Dialpad will generate a unique 4-digit PIN for that specific number. This PIN is what the receiving carrier will request as part of their porting process. Treat it like sensitive information, store it somewhere secure, and share it only with the people who are authorized to submit the port request. Also, keep in mind this is a port-out PIN, not the same as a voicemail PIN or any other code you might use in day-to-day operations. If you need to port out multiple numbers at once, head to the current port out numbers section within the port out portal. Select the numbers you want to include. There's also a select all option if you're moving everything in that list. Enter a PIN, then click Set Bulk PIN. This applies the PIN to all selected numbers in a single action, which can streamline coordination with the receiving carrier. Again, record the PIN securely and make sure everyone involved is using the same correct list of numbers. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. Double-check that you're generating or setting the PIN for the right numbers, and keep a simple spreadsheet or internal note of which PIN corresponds to which numbers. Plan port-outs during low traffic hours to minimize disruption and avoid making account changes to those numbers while your new provider is processing the transfer, as changes can cause delays. That's it. You're now ready to generate the port-out PIN for a single number or set a bulk PIN for multiple numbers in Dialpad with confidence.